Are you afraid of losing control of your body? Parkinson's can be an unexpected culprit. Parkinson's disease is a brain disorder that leads to shaking, stiffness, and difficulty with walking, balance, and coordination. It all starts in the brain's nerve cells. These cells stop producing dopamine, a crucial chemical that sends messages to the part of the brain controlling movement. Imagine trying to run a car with no fuel. That's your body without enough dopamine. As dopamine levels drop, your motor skills deteriorate. Simple tasks become challenging, but there's hope. Medications like levodopa can supplement dopamine, easing symptoms. Exercise, particularly activities like Tai Chi and yoga, can improve balance and mobility. And while we can't reverse Parkinson's completely, treatments and lifestyle changes can significantly improve quality of life. New research is bringing us closer to understanding and managing this condition better than ever before. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful videos. Stay informed, stay healthy.